Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polkastarter. The price line of Polkastarter is breaking out different patterns one by one, and I'm expecting that it is going to break out a very big pennant on the weekly time frame, and that will be a kind of chain reaction. I'll show you how it is going to happen, and I'm expecting that the imminent move after a big breakout can be beyond $7. So let's start the analysis. First of all, if you're new to this channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. First of all, I would like to recall this major idea that I shared with you in the month of April, when the price line of Polkastarter formed this very big bullish harmonic bat move. I was expecting a move from $4 to $6.52. At that time it was moving at $2.5, and you can see that the price line completed this leg, entered the buying zone. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied on this weekly time frame, and after hitting $4.50 it is moved down, and now it is gearing up again and again entered this sell zone. After that, the price line recently broke out this ascending triangle that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 24th of November, almost a week ago, when the price line broke out this resistance, and I told them that now we can expect a move from $4.25 to $4.80. This was our first target, and this was the second target. Now after playing the chart, we can see that so far the price line has hit this first target, and I am expecting that soon it can even cross the second target as well, because after this breakout, the price line also broke out another triangle on the 4-hour time frame chart, and this is another ascending triangle on a smaller time frame. Previous triangle was on the daily time frame, and this triangle is on the 4-hourly time frame. This is another ascending triangle, and this time our target as per this triangle can be $4.45. Now after playing the chart, we can observe that the price line moved very close to this target, but after that it has retraced and testing the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. So it can be another very nice buy the dip opportunity for Polkastarter, because it is testing this resistance as a support, and from here we can expect a reversal from here. And our stop loss can be, if we are following this trade, can be the support of this triangle on the 4-hourly time frame. Now after this breakout, I'm expecting a move up to $4.45, and now if we switch the weekly time frame, this is the live weekly time frame chart, then we can see that we have a rejection here, we have another rejection here, and this is the third major rejection on the long-term weekly time frame. And if I connect all these rejections, then here we have the resistance, and we have a very steep support as well, and this is the formation of a bullish pennant. Right now the price line is very close to the bullish pennant, and we have the resistance of this pennant approximately at $4.40, and if the price line is going to hit the sell target of this ascending triangle, that is $4.45, then it is also going to break out or make another powerful attempt to break out this resistance as well. And if the price line will break out this resistance of this bullish pennant, then our next expected target can be $7.70. That is beyond $7. More than 100% move can be we can expect from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.